morning, children. In this chapter, be my multiple, I'll be your factor. We have learned so much. And today I'm going to show you an activity with the help of which you will know more clearly, your concept will become very clear of the lowest common multiple. What I have done, I have taken different A4 size papers of different colors. And on these A4 size papers, I have made grids of numbers from 1 to 100. And on one paper, I have cut the multiples of 2. On another paper, I have cut the multiples of 3. And on the third paper, I have cut the multiples of 4. So what I am going to do with these papers, I will show you while doing the activity. I will explain everything to you and you must try it on your own. Okay, let's start. This is an A4 size paper. On this paper, I have made a grid, and this grid has numbers from 1 till 100. In each row, I have written 10 numbers. So 1 to 10 in the first row, 11 to 20 in the second row, 21 to 30 in the third row, and so on. Like this, I took another paper which was brown in color. On that paper also I made a similar grid and I wrote numbers on that grid. After that, I cut the multiples of 2 on that paper. And I am going to show you how I cut the multiples of 2 by keeping that paper on this paper. Now look at this brown paper which has been kept on the white original sheet. I have cut the multiples of 2. So you can see the multiples of 2 from the white sheet on which I had written the numbers. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30 and so on. You can see all the even numbers are visible through the cuts which I have made in the paper. Similarly, I took another paper on which I made a grid from 1 to 100. In that paper, I cut the multiples of 3. Now, that was a blue colored paper. I will keep that paper on white papers to show you how I cut the multiples of 3. See, this blue paper also has a grid from 1 to 100 numbers. And in this paper, I have cut multiples of 3. Let us see. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30, 3 11s are 33, 3 12s are 36 and so on. So you can see now the multiples of 3 are visible from the cuts which I have made in the blue paper. Similarly, I made other papers, a pink colored paper on which again I made a grid from 1 to 100 and cut the multiples of 4. Now I will show that pink paper to you by keeping it on the white paper. See, this is the pink paper where I cut multiples of 4, and that is the reason when I
kept the pink paper on the white paper, you are able to see the multiples of 4 in white. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40, 4 elevens are 44, 4 twelves are 48, and so on. So these are the multiples of 4 which have been cut in the pink paper. Now children, if I want to find the common multiples of 2 and 3, what I am going to do, I am going to keep the papers which have got the multiples of 2 and 3 cut in them, overlapping the white paper, and show it to you. Now you can see the lowermost paper is the white paper which has all the numbers from 1 to 100 on it. After that, I have kept the brown paper which has the multiples of 2 cut in it, and on that I have kept the blue paper which has multiples of 3 cut in it. Now the white numbers which are there, the paper on which I had written all the numbers from 1 to 100, the one with the white background, those numbers are the common multiples of 2 and 3. So the first common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6, which is called the lowest common multiple. So the lowest common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6, and then 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, and so on. So children, the numbers which are on the white background are the common multiples of 2 and 3. And note one more thing. The common multiples of 2 and 3, they are all the multiples of lowest common multiple, which is 6. So see, these multiples are the multiples of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60, 6 elevens are 66, and so on. So children, how interesting it is that to find the common multiples of 2 and 3, we have kept the two papers and the boxes where both in the paper of multiples of 2 as well as in the paper of multiples of 3, they are overlapping each other. We have got the common multiples of 2 and 3. Now what I have done, I have kept the 3 papers overlapping each other. You can see the lowermost paper is white, which has all the numbers from 1 to 100. After that, here you can see slight brown colored paper. That is the paper which has multiples of 2 cut on it. See this brown color paper, you can see it here. After that, I have kept blue colored paper which has multiples of 3 cut on it. And on that, I have kept the pink colored paper which has multiples of 4 cut on it. Now, the numbers which you can see on white background, these numbers which you can see on white background, they are the common multiples of 2, 3, and 4. So, the lowest common multiple of 2, 3, and 4 is 12. You can calculate and see it for yourself too. So the lowest common multiple for 2, 3 and 4 is 12, and the other common multiples are 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96 and so on. And again children, you can see that the other common multiples of 2, 3 and 4 are the multiples of the lowest common multiple, which is 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96 and so on. So children, this is a great method to understand the common multiples as well as the lowest common multiples. So this activity, you can make it for yourself and do it and enjoy. That's all for today children. Thank you and have a nice day.